Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make raspberry mousse cake. First, gather your ingredients for the cake base, including flour, sugar, and eggs. Next, prepare the vibrant raspberry mousse using fresh berries and whipped cream. Finally, we will assemble and chill your stunning dessert, ready to impress everyone. This easy guide makes it simple to create a truly delightful treat for any occasion. Let's start with the foundation. A delicious cake base. You can choose a light sponge or a crisp shortbread. Cream together 100 grams of softened butter with 100 grams of granulated sugar until fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, followed by 125 grams of all-purpose flour. Pour into your pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Now for the star of our dessert, the luscious raspberry mousse. Puree 250 grams of fresh, ripe raspberries until smooth, then strain to remove seeds if desired. In a separate bowl, whip 300 milliliters of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Gently fold the raspberry puree into the whipped cream, then add 2 tablespoons of dissolved gelatin for that perfect set. Sweeten with 50 grams of powdered sugar. With your cake base cooled and mousse ready, it's time to assemble. Place your cake base into a springform pan, creating a snug fit. Carefully pour the airy raspberry mousse evenly over the cake layer, spreading it gently to the edges. Now, the most important step. Chill your cake for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. Garnish with fresh raspberries and a light dusting of powdered sugar before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.